Hello shoppers! And yes, another quality products na naman to or toolbox from Harden. So this is Harden plastic toolbox guys. And before anything else, a big shoutout at maraming salamat sa Harden Tools PH sa pagpapadala dito ng one of their quality products. So start tayo sa pag-review nito sa handle niya guys. Yan. Ang ginawa ni Harden Tool dito is non-slip handle na. Kaya napakadaling hawakan nito at napakadaling bitbitin itong toolbox na to. Aside pa dyan, meron silang separate accessory storage. And guys, transparent yan. Sa mga small tools nyo, pwede nyo to lagyan. And then, double lock na rin to guys. Easy to open. Kaya kung kukuha kayo ng mga gamit nyo, back and forth, napaka-easy na lang. And aside pa dyan, double layer na siya. Yung upper tray niya guys, pwede nyo tanggalin or pwede nyo i-isolate anytime, anywhere. And ayan, kung makikita nyo, yung main storage niya, sobrang spacious na. At pati itong removable tray niya ay napaka-spacious na rin. And made of high quality materials na to guys. Kaya hindi kayo mag-worry kung maglalagay kayo ng mga matitigas, mabibigat na mga tools nyo dito sa toolbox na to. And for its own weight, napakagaan lang nito guys. And this is designed as ergonomic. Kaya pag sinabing ergonomic, napaka-comfortable, efficient, and human-friendly use nito guys. Kaya napaka-high quality ng product. And FYI guys, si Harden ay 19 years nang gumagawa ng mga tools or tool-making products in the market. And ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, click the link or click the yellow basket para maka-order din kayo. And you can visit their shop, Harden Tools PH, sa mga iba't iba pang quality products nila. At ayun lang, thank you for watching. Please follow for more.